Caching responses in FastMCP can slash your server load and speed up repeated operations, but only if you configure it right. We'll add response caching middleware with a single line of code, then explore how to fine-tune cache settings for tools, resources, and prompts, including TTL controls and storage backends.
From FastMCP server middleware caching, import response caching middleware. MCP, add middleware, response caching middleware.
This demonstrates the middleware pipeline pattern, a powerful architectural approach for adding cross-cutting concerns to RPC systems. The pattern inserts modular processing layers between client requests and server handlers, enabling features like caching, logging, or authentication without modifying core business logic. What makes this distinctive is its chain of responsibility design, where each middleware can inspect, modify, or terminate the request flow before passing control to the next layer. The pipeline works by wrapping the server's core functionality in a series of composable interceptors. Each middleware receives the request context, performs its specialized processing, then explicitly delegates to the next layer via call next. This creates a bidirectional flow where middleware processes requests on the way in and responses on the way out, while maintaining clean separation between infrastructure concerns and domain logic. This approach solves the problem of feature scattering across your codebase. Instead of embedding caching logic in every tool or resource handler, you implement it once in a reusable middleware layer. The pattern shines in distributed systems where you need consistent behavior across all operations, though it adds slight overhead to the request flow. The trade-off is justified when you need to maintain clean architecture while adding cross-cutting functionality. Let's break it down line by line.
From FastMCP server middleware caching, import response caching middleware.
Imports response caching middleware, FastMCP's built-in caching layer that intercepts responses and stores them for reuse. Eliminates redundant processing for identical requests, dramatically improving performance for repeated calls. This is the standard middleware pattern, pluggable components that extend server behavior without modifying core logic.
MCP, add middleware, response caching middleware.
This registers FastMCP's response caching middleware, which automatically caches HTTP responses to eliminate redundant processing. It intercepts outgoing responses, stores them, and serves cached versions for identical requests, dramatically improving performance for repeated calls. Middleware pattern. This hook executes on every request, transparent to your root handlers. Caching middleware pattern. The response caching middleware in FastMCP 2 implements transparent TTL-based caching for tools, resources, and prompts, reducing redundant computations while maintaining freshness through time-based expiration. Cache keys for list operations are global by default, which can cause collisions when sharing storage across multiple servers without proper namespacing. Configure individual method settings to balance performance and freshness according to your specific use case requirements.
The cache that remembers everything must forget everything to remember again.